Here's one for the Cadillac fans and sport sedan performance fans also. 2012 Cadillac CTS-V sedan. And this is a nice one. One owner car, little over 10,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms mileage. I have not seen any sort of paint work on this car. And speaking of paint, unfortunately, the pictures and the videos just don't do this one justice. Black diamond tri-coat, and it is sharp on this car. Now, speaking of still pictures, if you want to be able to go look at this car, check out the underside of it. It is absolutely spotless. You can tell this car hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Be able to see the interior engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look at this front fascia. Haven't really noticed much of anything for a little rock chip or nick or anything like that. Of course, underneath the hood of this one, that 6.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 556 horse, 551 pound-feet of torque. So yes, this one will get up and go. 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, paired up with that 6.2 liter. Of course, this has the 19-inch aluminum stock wheels on it yet. Big brakes up front. I believe those were Brembo from Cadillac. Take a look up and down this passenger side again, free of nicks, dings, scratches. What you'd expect with a car with this miles on it, no doubt about that. Check out these seats, Recaro bucket seats, power both sides, made especially for the CTS-Vs. And all your goodies you're going to get on a Cadillac as far as equipment. We'll hit a little bit more of that as we get around to the driver's side. Start this up, let you hear it. Check out the engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one does have a Borla exhaust on it. You'll be able to see in the underside pictures. A little more of a rumble out of that. And again, those underside pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. This one also has a panoramic sunroof, as you'll be able to see in the still pictures also. I don't know if you can get the metallic off of this paint there. You kind of get an idea of it. And then look at the reflection coming off of that and how clear it is. But that paint is just amazing out in the sun. Again, unfortunately, the video and the pictures just don't do it justice. Check out the rear seating area. Like new. All right, slip up front. I'm going to get a little warning chime here. But Bose stereo, of course, your power windows, power locks, mirrors, memory seating, driver's information center, heads-up display. Sorry about that. We'll get her started up, so get rid of that dinging. There's your exact miles, 10,830. Of course, no warning indicator lights, anything like that on. Do have the power navigation screen and also your controls for radio. Heated and ventilated seats, of course, both sides. Electronic dual climate control. Dash all in good shape. And excuse me, I misspoke. Driver's information center is over here. This car does not have HUD. Let me make that clear. So driver's information center buttons, which will read out on your speedometer screen. Want to do that right there. You can go through them. But sorry, no HD, misspoke. Power panoramic roof switches, home link for garage door openers up above on the roof. All right. course, all your steering wheel controls, cruise, also audio controls, and then take a look at these seats. This will be a perforated suede inlay, and that's just the nap of the fabric. You're going to see it two different colors just depending on which way that suede is laying. Nice shape. As you can see, the bolsters of the seats, also nice shape. Of course, the V logo in the backrest. Beautiful condition. Slip around to the back. There you get an idea of a little bit of that bored exhaust, a little rumble to it. Nothing crazy over the top. There is also a box that will be in the trunk that you see over there on the floor. That is for a front license plate bracket if you'd like to mount one underneath the front of this car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop the hood and check out what that engine bay looks like.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, hood's popped. Take a look at the underside of that hood liner. Like I said, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. They've also opened up the breathing of this car with a little bit of cold air intake there, as you can see. So they got breathing a little bit better with the cold air intake and that Borla exhaust. There it is, 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Again, nice and clean, just what you'd expect underneath the hood. Think of that 556 horsepower in this sedan. Riding on Michelin Pilot Sports, ready to be enjoyed by its new owner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Go check out the still pictures. And again, black diamond tri-coat, cool color in this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call entering